Do you want to know how to fix missing camera in Device Manager Window 10? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. Open Device Manager. Now just select anything and click on View and click Show Hidden Devices and check if the camera is visible or not. If this not the case, let's move the next method. Just click on Action and click on Add Legacy Hardware. Click on Next and select the second option, Install the hardware that I manually select from the list. Click on it and click Next. Now select Cameras, click Next. If it's empty, then you have to move back and select Imagine Device. But if you get your camera driver model, select that and click on Next. But in my case, it's empty. So I'm going to select Imaginary Device, click back and select Imaging Devices and click on Next and select your model and click on Install. Now if you still doesn't see it, the third method is click on Start button and click on your settings, click on Privacy, and now on the left menu click on Camera and now click on Change and make sure this is turned on and restart your PC. This will fix your issue. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.